Hello guys, welcome to yet another video. On today's video tutorial we are going to be doing a tutorial on making the Costa Rican flag. Kindly stay tuned and we hope you learn something. Thank you. Having worked on a variety of bead art for over 5 years, I'm here now to share that knowledge with you. Hello everyone and welcome aboard this fun and creative journey as I share with you skills I've gained in a field that I am genuinely passionate in. I'm Stike and I love art. So the materials you'll require for making the Costa Rican flag are the 0.30 millimeters fishing line. You'll require beads. The beads that we use come oil packed like this. The Costa Rican flag has got these colors. It has the blue color, the white color and the red color. So we proceed, and we will also need the nail cutter to cut the fishing line. So guys, we've cut our fishing line to approximately 10 inches of length. So we begin. Remember, this is something that you can use to make a side hustle. This is something that you can earn something on the side if you learn how to do beadwork. So we hope that you learn something, and if you are able to make something and sell, kindly let us know in the comment section below, because this is sort of like a training on what you can do. So we begin with our 3 basic beads. As you can see, the 3 blue beads. Yes. So we've picked 3 blue beads on the right and 1 blue bead on the left, and then you crisscross. That's what we mean by crisscrossing. You crisscross on the 1 blue bead like that. Then you make sure your fishing line is balanced like that as you pull the 1 bead down. So always make sure that your fishing line is balanced, and then you pull. You should have a star that looks like this. I hope that's clear. You should have that star, and then you continue. You pick a white bead on the right, a white bead on the left, and then you pick a red bead on the right, and you crisscross on the red bead from the right like that. That is what we call crisscrossing. Basically, it's passing the fishing line from the other end, and you should have something that looks like this. Please make sure that each step we are together so that you don't get lost, so that your artwork comes out neat. If this is your very first time to come across this channel, you can go to our playlists and you'll see more video tutorials that can also help you. You can learn many other flags. The progress is like this so far, so we continue. This was a special request by a friend who has family in the Costa Rica, and we thought it was well to show you how the process is done. I hope you enjoyed this. So we have put 1 white bead on the right, 1 white bead on the left, and then we've added a blue bead and crisscrossed like that. And then now you put a blue bead on the left, 2 blue beads on the left and 1 blue bead on the right. And then you crisscross on the blue bead from the right. By doing so, you'll also be making a corner, and your artwork will look like this. So that's the first column we've made. As we continue, if you like this video, please don't forget to smash that like button down there. Make sure you leave a like. Also, for those of you who haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. We've put 2 blue beads from the left and 1 blue bead on the right. Then we've crisscrossed on the blue bead from the right. And then now what we're doing is we pass the fishing line through the next white bead like that. So that's another improvement. So we've passed the fishing line through the white bead, and you should have something that looks like this. So far we are together. So we continue. You put a white bead on the right and a red bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the red bead. Remember guys, no one is perfect, so when you're doing beadwork, don't expect perfection. Know that you can do errors and you can correct them. So you're supposed to remember that patience is key, and that's our progress so far. That's how our artwork looks like. I hope we are all together by there. As we continue, you pass the fishing line through the next red bead like that, and then you pick a red bead on the right, a red bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the red bead from the left like that. So I hope you progress. I hope you can see what we're doing on the screen. It's best if you follow what the hands are doing. Thank you all of you who have been responding on our comment section, all of you who have been giving us likes. We really value your suggestions and all your comments. Let us know what you think of our tutorials, how they're helping you. Are you able to make some extra income from doing beadwork? And let us be in this journey together. I hope we are together. You should follow what the hands are doing. And if you have been watching our videos, you'd notice that this pattern is just the same on most of the tutorials. The only difference is we change the colors, the patterns, but the pattern still remains to be the same. So once you learn one pattern and you can be able to mix the colors, you can as well do anything that you like. So basically what we're doing is we're repeating the same thing so that we get to the desired length of the Costa Rican flag.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.